creating animated videos has become more accessible thanks to various free tools and apps available online. Whether you're a content creator, an educator, or simply want to make something fun, you can get started without having to pay for expensive software. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the steps to create an animated video using free apps, focusing on the most accessible tools for beginners. 1. Introduction to animation. What is animation? Animation is the art of making inanimate objects or drawings appear to move. By rapidly displaying images or frames in a sequence, the human eye perceives motion. There are several types of animation, including traditional 2D, 3D animation, motion graphics, and stop motion. Why create animated videos? Animated videos are highly versatile and can be used for educational purposes, storytelling, explainer videos, marketing, and entertainment. They have the unique ability to simplify complex concepts, making them a preferred medium in various fields, especially digital content creation. 2. Choosing the right free animation app. There are plenty of free apps available for animation, each catering to different styles of animation: 2D, 3D, motion graphics. Here's an overview of some of the top free animation software. Blender. Blender is a professional-grade 3D animation software that is entirely free and open source. It allows users to create complex 3D models, animations, and even simulations. Blender has a steep learning curve but is perfect for those interested in high-end animation production. Pencil 2D. Pencil 2D is a straightforward open-source tool for creating 2D animations. It focuses on traditional, hand-drawn animation, which makes it perfect for beginners who want to try out simple animations without diving into complex software. OpenToonz. OpenToonz is a 2D animation software used by professionals and beginners alike. It offers a variety of tools for frame-by-frame animation and supports both vector and raster images, giving users more flexibility in their design. Animaker. Animaker is a cloud-based platform that is especially user-friendly for creating explainer videos, marketing content, and presentations. It offers pre-made templates, drag-and-drop functionality, and simple animation tools. Powtoon is another cloud-based animation platform. Like Animaker, it is ideal for creating explainer videos and presentations. Its drag-and-drop interface makes it accessible to users with no prior animation experience. Synfig Studio. Synfig Studio is an open-source 2D animation software. It provides vector-based animation tools, which allows users to create animations with smooth motion. It's a bit more complex than Pencil 2D but offers more features for those wanting to create professional-grade 2D animations. Krita. Krita is primarily a drawing software but also supports simple frame-by-frame animation. If you're looking to create hand-drawn animations with a wide array of artistic tools, Krita is an excellent option. 3. How to plan your animated video. Before diving into the technical aspects of creating an animated video, it's essential to plan your video. A well-planned project will not only save you time but also help you achieve better results. Scriptwriting. A script is the backbone of any animated video. It guides the flow of your story, defines the dialogue, and ensures the narrative is clear. Keep your script concise and engaging. Storyboarding. Storyboarding is the process of sketching the key frames of your animation. It serves as a visual guide that outlines how the story will unfold on screen. Storyboards don't have to be perfect, they can be rough sketches that give you an idea of the scene composition and key moments. Creating a shot list. A shot list is a breakdown of each shot or scene you plan to include in your animation. It lists what will happen in each shot, the duration, and any specific notes on how it should be animated. This is especially useful when animating with more complex software like Blender. 4. Using Animaker. A step-by-step guide. Animaker is an excellent starting point for beginners due to its user-friendly interface and pre-made assets. Step 1. Signing up and navigating the platform. To get started with Animaker, visit their website and sign up for a free account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. Here, you can create new projects, view your previous projects, and explore templates. Step 2. Creating a new project. Click on the Create New button and select the type of video you want to create, for example, explainer video, infographic, etc. You can choose from templates or start with a blank canvas. Step 3. Adding characters and backgrounds. Animaker offers a library of pre-made characters, backgrounds, and props. Drag and drop these elements onto your canvas to build your scenes. Customize characters by changing their facial expressions, outfits, and poses. Step 4. Adding animations. To animate your characters, click on the character or object you want to animate and select an animation from the menu, for example, walking, talking, etc. Animaker offers a variety of animations that can be applied with just a few clicks. Adjust the duration and timing of each animation to fit your scene. Step 5. Exporting your video. Once you're satisfied with your animation, click the Export button. Animaker allows free users to export videos in 720p with a watermark. You can upgrade to remove the watermark and export in higher resolutions. 5. Using Blender. A step-by-step guide for 3D animation. Blender is a powerful tool for creating 3D animations, but it comes with a steeper learning curve. Here's a basic guide to getting started. Step 1. Setting up your project. After downloading and installing Blender, open the software and start a new project. You'll see the default workspace, which includes a 3D viewport, outliner, and timeline. In the 3D viewport, you'll find a cube, camera, and light source already set up for you. Step 2. Modeling characters. To create your character, use Blender's modeling tools. You can start by creating basic shapes, cubes, spheres, etc., and then sculpting them into more complex models. Blender offers powerful tools for manipulating vertices, edges, and faces of objects to achieve the desired look. Step 3. Adding movements and animation. Once your model is ready, you can animate it using Blender's rigging and animation tools. By adding a skeleton armature to your model, you can create movements like walking, running, or jumping. Set keyframes along the timeline to define the position and pose of your character at different points in time. Blender will automatically generate the motion between these keyframes. Step 4. Exporting your project. After finalizing your animation, you can render it into a video. Go to the render settings, select your desired resolution, and export format, for example MP4. Click the Render Animation button to begin the rendering process. 6. Best practices for creating animated videos. Here are a few best practices to follow when creating animated videos. Timing and pacing. The timing of animations is critical to keeping your audience engaged. Pacing refers to how fast or slow the movement and transitions happen in your video. Ensure that actions don't happen too quickly, making it hard for the audience to follow, or too slowly, causing the video to drag. Simplifying your design. Especially when starting, it's best to keep your design simple. Too much detail can make animation overwhelming. Focus on the key elements that drive your story. Using audio to enhance animation. Audio is just as important as visuals in animation. Incorporate sound effects, background music, and voiceovers to enhance the viewer's experience. Many free apps like Animaker and Powtoon offer libraries of audio tracks and sound effects to choose from. 7. Conclusion. Creating animated videos using free apps is more accessible than ever before. Whether you're looking to make simple 2D animations or complex 3D projects, there are free tools available to fit your needs. By planning your video through script writing and storyboarding, And using beginner-friendly platforms like Animaker or advanced tools like Blender, you can bring your creative ideas to life. The more you experiment and learn, the better your animations will become over time. Start small and gradually work your way up to more complex projects, and soon you'll be creating captivating animated videos.